Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can open the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and unfortunately in this device all we can do regarding the video resolution and quality is to change the frames per second. As you can see, we've got two different options: 30 frames per second, which is currently applied, and 60 frames per second. We can simply tap on it to apply it, and from now on your device will use this option whilst recording a video. So we do not really have the video resolution option per se, but we've got the frames per second, which we can customize. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.